Hello everyone. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to create a PowerPoint, contains shapes and smart art. As you can see, this is chapter 2, enhancing presentation with shapes and smart art. So when you watch this video, I hope you already finished the 3 projects on chapter 1, which is chapter 1 project, and also the 2 exercise after chapter. Now, if you look at the next page, we're going to see this 5 slides. So in the end, we are going to do this project. So I might separate this video in 2 parts. Okay, it will be a long video. I'm going to probably make 2 parts regarding to this chapter. Now, as you can see here, they do have a smart art for all, smart art and also shapes in almost every slide. So we're gonna start from PowerPoint. Okay, so let's start to open your PowerPoint. Now, if you open your PowerPoint, you will have something like this. So what you can do is you can click more thing, and you click here. And actually, in the book, it tells you to select electric. But if I type electric, I might not find anything, which is probably not a good idea to just choose electric. So you can simply just type the name of this thing by typing business digital blue. Actually, you don't need to even do the blue. Just click the first 2 words, and you're gonna find this is the theme you're supposed to have. Okay, so this is the theme. And you double click, you select this. Now we are going to, first of all, save the work. Okay, I'm gonna try to save this. Click File. As you know, once you choose the right theme, you click Create. It creates the theme like this, right? Then you click File, click Save As. Then you save on your location, the location you like. Okay, I'm going to put on my desktop. Okay. On my desktop, I have a folder called Spring 2022, and then inside I have another folder called the CFP 101. So I'm going to type the name of the files: SC underline PPT underline 2 underline energy. Click Enter. So you can see here the name has changed to SC underline PPT underline 2 underline energy. Now the thing is, next step, we're going to delete majority of the slides, because as you remember, the cover page shows us this only 5 slides in the end, but now we have 11. So we're going to delete quite a lot of slides. So it tells you click the slide 3, which is this one, then hold Control key, press hold Control key, then click slide 4. So this 2 you selected. Then you right click the select key in the pop-up menu, and you can just click delete. So you delete 2 of them. Again, it asks you, after you delete, you're gonna click the slide 4 in the thumbnail, which is 1, 2, 3, this one, slide 4. Then hold Shift key, Shift, and click slide 9, which is this one. So if you use Shift key, that means you select everything from slide 4 to slide 9. Then you're supposed to right click your mouse and delete it. Suppose delete it. So basically, you delete everything. The only 3 slides you left is the first 3. Okay, so if you want, you can just delete everything behind slide 3 instead of separate into. Actually, not. There's no way you because this is slide 3 is the original slide 5. Okay. Now we select, we delete all the slides. Now we are ready to add our own content. So we now move to slide 1. Okay, so in slide 1, double click. So this is slide 1. Now we're gonna click the text in the placeholder. Actually, this one, the title layout. So you can double click, triple click. Okay, so you have this. Okay, that allow you just type conserve energy at home. Conserve energy at home. Okay, now you type it. Then you're gonna change the size of the font. After you type the title, you want to make the title font. So we're gonna highlight this and make our font. Right now is 66. So we want to make it 80. So we're gonna increase to 80. So this is the title. Now we're going to make the subtitle. So click the subtitle area. So we'll type save money and increase comfort. So when you type the content in the subtitle, automatically it becomes all uppercase letter. Okay, so we have that. So increase the font size. After you change the subtitle, you want to increase the font size to 28. So that's what we do. Then you bold it. Click B to bold it. Sorry, not this, bold it. So after I change the size from the original size 20 to 28 and bold it, the next step is going to change the font color by click here. And this is the font color. You want to change to green. The 6th color is the standard, so which is this one. Okay, this is a green. A light green. This was this one. Yeah, this 6th color. So this is the first one. Now we're gonna move on to the next part. We want you to do align the paragraph. So place insertion point anywhere the slide 1 title. Then click, which is this one, the title. So click align right. What is align right? Right here on the top of the menu, on the paragraph, right here is align right. So if I click that, it becomes this. And you do the same thing for your subtitle. Okay, you do the same thing for your subtitle. So click this and then click align left, align right. So it will be like this. So both the title and the subtitle become align right. Now, after this, we're gonna go to next slide 2. Okay, the slide 2. Let me make sure I choose this right screen share. So we have that. I'm gonna type the title. So okay, I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna type energy, no space, efficient products. Then we select the first bullet part. Okay, the first bullet part is use the uppercase letter, hold type shift key. So type energy star certified LEDs. Then press enter. Now you want the next line be sublist, so you have to click here, increase list level. So this button is list increase list level. We use this in our Word, so it's same as PowerPoint, increase list level, so it becomes smaller. So you type use 75% less energy than incandescent lighting. Okay, so this is the first part. Then we are going to do the next bullet. Next bullet will be water sense certified. Sorry, it should be lowercase s. C. Certified shower head. Then again, increase list level. Click this button here. So this increase list level and decrease list level is like friends. And now we can do family can save 700 gallons of water yearly. We finish this. Now we're gonna go to next one. Hot water pipe insulation. Pipe insulation. Again, after you finish, you click enter, you increase list level, so you can type can raise temperature 2 to 4 degrees. Okay, so those are the text part. So like give you a minute to finish. You can finish typing, and then if you want, you can just pause the video to type everything. Now we're gonna have to insert symbol. So after you finish this, we're gonna add some symbols because the Energy Star is like a registered brand, right? So if you purchase any like electronic device like a refrigerator or washer, you might see the Energy Star symbol on the washer or dryer or the refrigerator. So we're gonna have to type this R, symbol R over there. So how do we do that? So we place the placeholder insert symbol right after the star. So use your mouse, click after star, so you can see the cursor shining. Now we're gonna click the insert. Okay, so actually click the insert, and then you have symbols right here, just like your Word document. You have symbols here. Now we're gonna look at the symbols, the font, which is symbol. Let's find the symbols. Type S. Symbol, choose the symbol right here. Okay, then we drag down. Okay, I have this one used already, but for those of you who don't use, you won't have this recently used symbol. So we're gonna have to drag it down. So right here. So you can see somewhere in your symbol category. Now you're gonna see this R. So this is the one we're supposed to use. So you choose R from here and click insert. As you can see here, now I close this window, and you can see the energy R right here. But then you're gonna do the exact same thing to the water sense. As you can see, this water sense is underlined because water sense is also a kind of a certified as brand. So a special thing. So you're gonna copy and paste this R symbol to here. So we can use, go to the home, click copy, then move to here, and click paste. Then you have R right here. Yeah, don't want a space, so right here. So you have that. Also, so we copy the R from here to here. Also next, we're gonna add the hyperlink to the paragraph. So with the slides 2 display, we display the insert tab and select the title text, which means this one. Okay, in the title text. Now we're gonna click insert. I'm gonna add a hyperlink on this title, which means if I click title, I can go to another website. So the hyperlink is the links right here. Okay, so if you click the links, now if it pop up this window, the energy efficient product. So you can go to the address part. So if you have address part here, you probably type something, delete it. So address part right here is empty. So I type www.energy.gov. So this is from what I when I click the link under the insert button. Then I click OK. So it will have this hyperlink to our link to our title. Okay. So as you can see, it's like this. It's a hyperlink already. The next part, we're gonna create and format a smart art graphic. Now we're gonna convert all this text to smart art. So we highlight all of the content. Then we go to the home tab. Under the home tab, now we do have smart art, shapes, arrange. Click right here. You see this symbol that is convert to the smart art paragraph. So just click this. It'll pop up this choices. And also, if you want, you can click more graphic, and it pop up those. Now we're gonna choose click list. So under the list, you can choose vertical box list, which is this one. So this is a vertical box list we're supposed to apply. Then we click OK. So you can see it automatically change the plain text into the smart art, which is make your presentation more pretty. The next part, I'm gonna edit the smart art shape text. So we're gonna do slide 3. Now we move on to slide 3. So we first of all we do the select the step 1 title, which is this one. So we're gonna type appliance, A-P-P-L-I-A-I, appliances. Then we click step 2 window, type title. Sorry, I undo this. Okay, this one, make sure. Okay, so this one I'm supposed to change to Windows. Then I move to step 3. So I'm going to change to lightings. So no S, so lighting. Now we're going to type active add it to the smart art bullet text content. So we click the text pen button or the arrow icon to open the text pen. Okay, so just click this, so select those. So appliance, you can modify this. So select the text first lines in the second level paragraph, just text descriptions. Okay, we can open the text panel, which is under Smart Art Design. You see right here, text pen. So we have appliance. So it pop up this menu right here. So if you go to the Smart Art Design, you have text pen right here. You can do this. So the first part, we can type unplug one not in use. Then the next one, we click the next one is ask about rebates. Okay, that's the first part. Then the second part is for the windows. For all the window, you want to reduce the energy. So cell leaks. Then next one is close curtains at night. Close curtains at night in winter. Okay. The third part, lighting. We're gonna do the first part is buy LEDs. Then we have next one is use indoor and outdoors. Okay. We can go to next, use indoor and outdoors. Use indoors and outdoors. Okay, so this one, I want to move this one a little bit so I don't have this choice. So I should not do this, undo this button here. For this part, I want to make it increase list level. It doesn't allow me to increase the list level. So let me check. So buy LEDs, then use indoor and outdoors. Okay, so it doesn't allow me to do the smart design, right to left format. Okay. So buy LED and so that is it. Replace text for the third and second list. Do they have a third level list? Okay, wait a second. So the lighting, if I click enter, wait a second. Am I going to be able to do the layout? No, layout style. No. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave like this. Wait, I have to undo everything. Undo everything. So you can see it's always easy to fix issue by just undo those. So I have this, and so far I have everything all right. Now, now let's see. To form, next part is we're gonna form text pen characters. Okay, so we're gonna close this text pen right here. Now we're gonna click the black area in the smart board or border to deselect the lighting shape. Declick this. Then display the home tab and click the select button. Select all. So all selected. Not this one. Okay, click the bold button to bold all the text. So not this one actually, just only this part. Select all. Then we do click bold button to bold everything. Hey, wait a second, I think I did something wrong right here. So select all. Okay, now it looks all selected. Then I click bold button, bold everything. Then click the text shadow button on the home tab to add shadow. So this is text shadow right here. So you're gonna have to add text shadows. The next part. When the slide 3 smart art graphic still selected, display the smart 2 design tab. So which is right here on top here. Okay, now it's asks you to click more tab, which is right here. Oh, not this place, the other place. Layout. So right here under the layout group. So you have all this layout, select more layout. Now you're gonna choose the list again. And then you're gonna choose target list. Okay, target design target list. So it's this one. Okay. Then we click OK. So it's look like this, but don't worry, we're gonna have to modify the whole thing again. So that is just in the middle process. Okay, later on we have to, oh, this one we have to change. So this one we're almost done. So we're gonna click the title. We haven't done the title yet. So highlight title. So we're gonna change to an easy title called Tips to Save Energy. That's the title. Okay. Quite interesting. This one still does not allow me to make it in the lower space. I mean, increase this level. Now I'm gonna just stop. I'm just going to continue. Okay. Continue for one more step, then we do the rest of it in another video. So with slide 3, select it, insert a new slides with the title and the content. So we go to the home tab and new slides, and it asks you to have title and content. So which this is one. So with new slides for selected, we click new slides button to display the digital blue journal. So we're gonna click one more, new slides. Then choose duplicate select slides in the digital blue journal layout. So we're gonna duplicate select slides, which means you're gonna duplicate the slides 4, which is title and the content. So we have 2 more empty slides. After that, we're gonna insert a smart art graphic. So display slides 4. Okay, then we click insert a smart art icon in the content placeholder. insert. Click this, click smart icon. Okay, go to insert smart art. Then you are going to choose choose process. Then you will have all these choices. So we're gonna choose this one, the up arrow down. So you choose this and you click OK. Now we will have something like this. Then we're gonna add text. To start from here. First one is hourly pricing. Okay, then the next one will be peak time savings. Then this one will be central AC cycling. After you type those, you click anywhere to deactivate selection. So you have something like this. Now, then we're gonna have to, after we done this, after you type those content, you can select the style, so smart art style. So also, if you want, you can always pause the video to type the text. Okay. So we can. This is the choices we can. So we are going to choose the. So as you can see, they have different one. Subtle effect, moderate effect. So click more button under the 3D. This cartoon, no, it's not. So we're gonna choose powder under the 3D. So click more button. You choose the powder on the 3D. Okay. So this is what we have. So I'm gonna stop it here. So for my next video, I'm gonna do the slides 5. Okay, so that is for this video.